Hi, if you want to record screen on your iPhone 16, then you will need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. And now in the new iOS 18, we have a new interface. So to find your screen recording feature, you need to go in this first hard tab. Not in this one, not in this one, but in the hard one. So here we need to search for this round button for screen recording. If you cannot find it here, then you need to press and hold any free space on the screen and select this option to add control and simply choose screen recording. You can also make it bigger to see the name of this feature. And now before start recording, you can press and hold this tab and choose either enable or disable microphone here. So now it is on and now it is off. And if you want to start your recording, you just need to tap on this section and the recording will be started within the 3 seconds. You can see this animation in the dynamic island. And if you can see this red button, then it is recording now. So to stop your recording, you will need to tap on the dynamic island and here select in this square button to stop it. And also it will be saved to your gallery. So let's open Photos app and here we can check our screen recording. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.